Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a user. You can create users and assign roles to them. How to create a new user. To begin, head to User Settings under the Settings tab. Click on Add User. Enter the necessary details including first name, last name, address, designation, etc. Enter the rate per hour and select the user role. Now to save the user, click on Save Changes. How to edit or delete a user. Now to edit the user, choose the user that you want to edit. Click on the edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. To delete the user, click on the delete icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.